On Tuesday nights, I host a craft event at Club Cumming. Last week, we welcomed multidisciplinary artist Gina Kim, who showed us how to make these darling angels. How are we doing today? Great! Well, we're going to be having some fun tonight. Courtesy of our special guest, who I'm very excited to bring to the stage. Gina, why don't you come up here? There she is.
Yay!
Gina Kim. Have a seat. Oh, we're going to have so much fun. Those angels are so cute.
Yes.
So last year, Gina posted these on her Instagram. I was so impressed by how adorable these little, wonderful little angels are. They're very 1960s in style. And I think we're going to have a lot of fun putting them together. Gina has made some wonderful little kits for us.
Yes.
Yes.
You don't have to cut anything except for like some of the trim. Yeah, the fun stuff. Yeah.
Great. I love that. And they're fairly easy. If you want to make these at home, they're fairly easy to cut the shapes out, right? They're just little wedges.
Yeah, they're just cones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, very good.
Jewish angels.
Jewish angel.
Cones.
There you go. I love that. All right, very good. So, Gina made kits for us, but you don't need a kit. Here are the supplies you'll need for these little angels.
Each kit is going to have a little wooden ball, and that's the angel's head. And you don't have to paint the face exactly like this. You can paint it as, whatever facial expression you want. Angels need a good mug.
I love the little closed eyes that show off the
I like
eyeshadow.
The eyeshadow.
It's very 60s eyeshadow.
Very blue.
Yes. Very fun. So that's our first step.
That's the first step. And then you're going to glue, there's some pom-poms. You're going to make the hair. And then you're going to hot glue the pom-poms onto the top of the head, and that's how you make the hair.
And then
you set the head aside because you're done with the head. And then you're going to assemble the arms and the body. And you're just going to make a cone and hot glue the cone.
Into the cone shape.
Into the cone shape. And then after you do that, you're going to decorate and embellish the body with like little gems and sequins, and each table should have like a little packet of like sparkly things. So you can use the ribbon that I have up there. There are some scissors if you want to cut the trim to wrap around either the base of the body or like the sleeve, just some added sparkle.
Or the neckline.
Or the collar. And then once all they're separately decorated, you're going to glue it all together. So the head on top of the big cone, and you're going to glue the arms onto the body. And then there are also some wings in the kit. So you're going to glue the wings on. And there's also a little pipe cleaner to make a little halo.
So perfect.
And you're going to glue to the back of the angel's head.
Perfect.
And then that's it.
All right, so it's really an assembly project.
It's an assembly project, because I did the work for you.
I love that.
Yay!
That's so perfect. All right, so Gina has made this lovely little wreath with them.
Yeah.
Isn't that adorable? Look at that. So you can use them on a little wreath like this, or you can make them individual ornaments.
Yes, I also wanted to make them into a headband.
Oh,
like
would
a
that
really
be so
cute headband?
cute?
Yeah.
Yes, so cute. I love it. All right, very good. So let's get started and begin making our little angels.
There's like blue, green, and purple and pink, I think.
Very nice.
Cool.
So let's
I've been an artist ever since I was a kid, as long as I can remember. I came up with the idea for the angels on Pinterest, and I thought they're so cute, and I wanted to make my own because I couldn't buy them. So I kind of reverse engineered. I got help from my friend Owen, who gave me cutting lines for the body and for the sleeves. And then I just bought some crafts from the craft supply store, and I kind of just spent an afternoon making a bunch of them. I found Making with Brini on Instagram, and I've been following the account for a while, and I think there was one night where they were doing Easter hats. And I was like, well, you know, if there was one night that I should go, it's this one, because I love the Easter bonnet parade, and this was one where I can go, and surely I would, you know, make some friends over there. So, yeah.
Thank you, Gina, for sharing your project with us. And thank you for joining us here. Come by patreon.com/Brini Maxwell for the pattern for these little ladies. It's free and our holiday gift to you. Thanks to the patrons who make these videos possible with their continued support on Patreon.
And have a very happy holiday season, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye now.